First, we taught the machines to write, then we let them write everything. By the time we noticed how fast they'd become, we'd already stopped reading what they made.
Test what exactly?
10,000 deploys a day, 0 humans in the loop. This is the dream, Maya.
The agents write the code, the agents test the code, the agents approve the code. There's no one outside the room.
The tests are green.
They wrote the tests, too.
The systems didn't crash. That was the terrifying part. They all said the same thing. It works. Nobody asked the only question that mattered. Says who?
Who are you? Log in, run a real payment. Verify the total is exactly what the customer was charged.
That shipped this morning.
To everyone. Now, ship it.
The code shipped. Now something finally checked. An independent layer for a world that stopped reading its own code. TestmuAI.com